Having a fruit tree is wonderful, but when the fruit comes to bear, it can be overwhelming. Participating in a fruit share program is a way to solve many problems. Today we're out in West Valley visiting with Darren Mann from Green Urban Lunchbox to learn more about their fruit share program. So this program really kind of ticks off a couple of boxes. So tell me how it works.
Yeah, so a homeowner can go to our website and sign up, get their fruit tree registered, and then request harvest. We'll shoot out a newsletter to our volunteers, and they sign up, and we show up to the designated location, harvest their tree, and then we actually split it into thirds. A third of the produce goes to the homeowner, a third goes to the volunteers for their diligent labor, and then the last third goes to us, the Green Urban Lunchbox, that we donate to local hunger relief efforts as well as senior markets.
Does the homeowner have to have their own ladders? Do they have to have their own, you guys?
No, we have two wonderful vans, Bertha and Tony. We have all the ladders and all the harvest bags, pickers. We provide everything so that it's a nice, easy process for the homeowners and the volunteers alike. So register your tree.
Tell us about this harvest that's happening today.
Absolutely. This is quite a special one. We're harvesting nectarines, pears, apples. Emma here is picking some nectarines for us.
Why do you like volunteering with this program?
Yeah, I get to take home some of the fruit. So a third of the amount that we pick goes to the volunteers, and then we get it for free. So it's really nice. I'm a student right now, so I don't have to pay for the fruit and just put in a little bit of time and get it right from the tree with the most nutrients, and it's pretty amazing.
And I mean, this is such a beautiful garden. I mean, what a great way
to
spend some time.
You're right. It's like a very meditative process, actually, picking this fruit that has so much sustenance for us.
That's so cool. I want to get in there. Let's get in there and harvest some fruit. I'll just follow you.
So the organization just posts the days that they need volunteers, and then people just sign up.
If it's really squishy, should I still get it?
Yeah, if it's really not good, usually it'll go in the C grade, and then that will go to the chickens.
Okay, that's good to know.
So we try to use all of the fruit.
That's really cool. I had no idea.
I know, it's so cool.
So it's just these things? Very cool. Well, thanks for letting me help for a little bit. I think I'm going to go find the homeowner and talk to him about why he loves this program. Hi, Tim.
Hi.
Thanks for letting us come to your home today and see this fruit share. Why did you want to be a part of this program?
Because it's a great program. It's feeding people. It's way too much for me to handle. I'd get too busy with doing something and then it all go to waste. So Steve just finally put an end to that and says, we're not wasting it.
It's so great to make your yard available for these volunteers to come harvest all of your food and make sure that it doesn't go to waste.
Yes.
That's so great.
Yes, that is great. And the volunteers are great. They've always been very respectful. They've always been very kind. Become friends with a lot of them.
Yeah.
It's great.
Oh, that's so great. Well, thank you again so much for letting us come and visit your home. If I had a tree that I wanted to list or if I wanted to volunteer, where do I go to do that?
So you go to thegreenurbanlunchbox.com and you can register your tree there. If you want to volunteer, there's also that same route. But you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That's a great way to get involved and to really start engaging with your community. Because again, first and foremost, we want to bring the community back to food and get us back to a time where neighbors know neighbors. And what better way to do that than picking fruit with one another?
Right, definitely. Joining a fruit share program is a great way to make sure that the fruit on your trees doesn't go to waste. Whether you have 1 tree or 10 trees, please investigate your local fruit share program. For Modern Gardener, I'm Lizzie Brousseau, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.